Ladies and gentlemen, respected audience, Assalamu ورحمۃاللہ. I had been thinking to upload some speeches in English since I make my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today my topic is real meaning of education and the behavior of educated masses. What is education and how should educated people behave? Education means to learn something in order to make our lifestyle better and sensible. Like students try their level best to get more than 1000 marks in FSC in order to ensure their admission in some medical colleges. Some other students put their efforts to get admission in chemistry, physics and in other subjects, and after getting particular degrees they become well versed to get a reasonable job and earn their living. To get a job is the minor purpose of education. We are the crown of creation. We are human beings, and our wisdom, our reasoning and our capacity to learn new things make us higher from all other generations. Firstly, the great purpose of education and knowledge has been forgotten by the offsprings of Hazrat Adam alayhi salatu wassalam, and that great object of education or knowledge is to establish the relation of human with Allah Almighty and to clear each and every things before the every eyes of human beings. Second object of education is to fill the heart of behavior with the love of last prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But unfortunately we don't know the above two objects of education. Therefore today our education is meaningless and colorless. Today the behavior of young students are really very strange. More than this, the behavior and habits of our MPhil and PhD scholars fill my heart with deep sadness, because they just have the degrees and they are called master of their fields, but they don't know anything about Islam. They even don't know how to make an ablution according to Sunnah. They don't know how to eat meal and how to drain water according to Sunnah of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. They are not agree to know the meanings to meeting with elders, the particular meanings of sitting in masjid. Due to the lack of Islamic education, our youth don't know how to perform the funeral prayer and even Eid prayer. This is state of affairs, and in this way I don't think so we are fit for the leadership of the world. To be curt, I just wanna say please learn basic things of Islam, because it is very important in this modern world. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.